Happy birthday, a blessed birthday to you, Mel. Kay Mel. Hindi wish ang prayer ko lang sa'yo is more wisdom, strength, especially sa pag-drive mo, protection with your family. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan. Alam ko na nandiyan ka lang, lapit ka lang sa atin. And looking forward for that time. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you very much. It's your turn. And then it's your turn.
Happy birthday. Wish ko lang nagpakataba ka na para pag-uwi ni Dennis.
Okay.
Kita agad ang
Darlene, thank you so much.
kita agad ang makita.
Okay. Quiet. Uy, quiet and listen.
Tapos, tawag mo doon. Alam mo na yun, isang tawag lang.
Yes.
Andiyan ako.
Yes, I know. Love you too. Thank you so much. You're one of the, alam mo na. Marcy, what's your message?
Happy birthday to you. And wish ko sa'yo, stress-free na tayo. Kasi we're getting old. Kailangan, hindi natin stress ang sarili natin. Enjoy lang. Kasi, isa lang ang tayo. Kaya ako kasi bibigit ako. The more na it's adding the years, it should be adding the memories.
Yes.
So spend. Save, spend. Enjoy life.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
this your time,
Effort to drive.
Yes, your effort.
Driver.
And hindi ka nakatulog dahil super excited.
Yes. Thank you also for the treat.
You're welcome. And happy birthday, Joe.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, natin si Gemma. Hello! Hi, Mel! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo is long life and good health. At palaging beautiful. Ganda-ganda mo pa yan, sexy mo pa. Diba? Stress-free na tayo dahil huwag na masyadong magpapastress sa mga konting issues sa buhay. At focus on the Lord, focus on your faith. Doon lang tayo lagi. Ha?
Amen.
Love you, Mel.
Love you too.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much mga Marcy sa mga sweet and mga
The vlogger niya. We love you daw.
naiyak ako. Naiyak ako mga
Everything,
kasi sa totoo lang itong mga taong to for keeps talaga.
Nandito lang kami dahil. Nandito lang kami.
Itong mga taong to for keeps.
Basta pag tayo nakita-kita, same energy, same love. Yes. Kung kailangan ng advice or ng kausap, one text away.
Talaga kayo.
Okay.
Next time, na tayo? Travel na tayo sa Bicol.
Yeah.
Road trip tayo ulit. Bicol naman. Hindi na.
Thank you so much.
This is Bicol. Sarap yun.